Welcome back, everybody, to Backyard Cooking with Patrick and Bucket, where today we are coming at you in the front yard. We're also going to show you a recipe that is a crowd favorite that everyone can enjoy around the campfire, some vegetarian nachos. Thank you guys for watching this video. This recipe is much easier if you have a Dutch oven, but if all you have is a pot and a lid, that'll work fine as well. This is a great recipe to enjoy around the campfire with some friends, or socially distancing, just finishing the whole thing by yourself, which is probably what I'm going to do. If you like this content, make sure that you follow us at UCF Outdoor Adventure and UCF RWC, and we will see you out there as Orlando slowly starts to open back up. Thanks, guys.